What if students want to make some social connections while they're here with us? What would you advise?
As mentioned, there's the face-to-face events which you can come into the school. That's the biggest one, I think. Coming in, talking to people, which is kind of necessary to make friends. If you're in a lesson with someone, in an advisory class and your teacher's okay with it, you can always ask the teacher, hey, can you get this person to send me through their socials if they're okay with that. I wouldn't advise doing it in other classes because you might get in trouble. Yeah, face-to-face events is the biggest one.
Face-to-face events are a big part of our program here at Open Access. So of course, with our core business is online learning, but science teachers, for example, will have a number of practical lessons that you're able to come in on site for and participate. In week 11 of this term, we have a 4-day Wellbeing Week event where a whole range of events will be available for students to sign up to. Now that's all students from reception to year 12. And I highly recommend keeping an eye out for that program because I know last year we had huge success and students really enjoyed it. To the point, and this is going to confuse some of you, but some kids at the end of that week were quite excited and enthusiastic about going back to face-to-face. Okay, so really, really valuable.
So some of you might think it's difficult to make friends with someone that you don't know what they like, maybe you guys have nothing in common, but because the face-to-face event we have here, we always have some fun activities, which means if you are going to have do this activity with someone else, then you guys will have something in common, which means it's easier for you guys to make friends with someone have same interest or same hobby or something like that. For example, I will do the D&D section for each coming day, and we have already have a group of people, a group of students from different year levels. They are kind of friends now from each other because they came for D&D each section. So they share that interest. So it's easier for you to make friends with someone have something in common. That's my suggestion.